a new month and I have to set my habit tracker, so let me show you how I do it to be the most consistent that I've been in my whole life. You see, at the end of last year, I was struggling a lot when it comes to discipline and being consistent, and I realized that since I started doing this, I've been so much consistent than I was before. And so I think this has genuinely been something that has helped me a lot. And basically this is how it looks like. As you can see, like you have here, you have like the habits with a graph that I'm gonna fill today. And you also have all the habits. And as you can see, like I've been so consistent with most of them. And the good thing about this is that it's not only for habits, but also I can have all my journal entries of the month here. So it's really good, and I want to show you how I do it. A funny thing, I filmed a video last month showing you how to do it, but never edited the video, so I'm going to do it again because I'm going to do it anyway, so I want to show you. First of all, you have to write the month, so make sure you know, whatever month you are, write it down, and then you have to write memorable moments. This is key because these are basically moments you want to have on the top of your mind. Then make sure to write the days of the month and make sure to do it properly, because last time I wrote 31 days on February. Yes, don't judge me. Now the funny part, grab your ruler and you have to make a line where you're going to put the habit. So simple line, then you write the habits down, as you can see here. The main thing is I recommend you to have between 6 and 7 habits, not more than that, because it's going to be too much. And I leave some space to add key metrics that I'm going to show you, like the total, but you know, this month I'm actually going to add more. Now you can also make sure to add the rectangles. You can do it as the month goes by, but I like to do it up front. And now we go to the graph. So this is basically 2 lines, and then you have to put the numbers that you want to track. So if you're tracking the sleep, you can put from 0 to 10 hours, let's say. And this one is a bit overlooked, but I also encourage you to add some monthly goals. So for example, last month I set myself 3 goals, which I ended up just doing 1, but doesn't matter. Like, at least you are having 1 goal in your mind, and being able to see that each month is really good. Now, once you finish the month, like, your habit tracker is going to look more like that. This is how it looks like when you finish doing it, and I think it's so good to have this. Like, you end the month with this thing. I genuinely been more consistent once I started implementing this into my daily routine. And I used to use Notion systems, like really complex Notion systems with different habits, graphs and everything, but I have never ever been so consistent with tracking my habits and with my habits in general. Here is just you open the book, which you literally have it on your desk, and then you just check the things. You can add 1 memorable moment. You don't need to add this every day. At least I don't add a memorable moment every single day. It would be ideal, but you don't have to technically. I took it from this guy here, which is called Dominic Hart.